Hi, here we have a hairband rack. It's great to put all your hairbands in one place so they're easy to find. It has a beautiful unicorn caricature here. For any little girl's room, it would look beautiful. It holds them really well. You know, they're sturdy and stay in place. You can put up to 10 in each rack, so you have plenty of space for all your different colors for your girls. You do need a Phillips screwdriver, which it comes with, as well as these little screws here that you have to put together. It took me about maybe 7 minutes to put together, so it didn't take long at all.
So today here we have this cute little headband vanity. If you don't have a bunch of space to put all your favorite headbands, you could buy one of these. These are so cute. Right here I have a unicorn. You can even store bows from the front, from the back. And I love how it has so many colors. And I absolutely love unicorns. Has all of my favorite colors on here. And one of my favorite headbands to put on is this one.